For our Saxon math practice today, you're going to need one of your set of Lincoln cubes so you can draw a line segment today. So go ahead and get that, and then you're going to open your book to practice 75A at the top, and down at the bottom you're going to see page 305. Okay, so at the top of the book, remember to draw a line segment. You need to draw the two dots first. So you draw a dot right after the word name, and then put another dot over here next to the rectangle where it says guided practice. Then pull your put your linking blocks so that you can see each of the dots, and then hold it steady, and over you go. Okay, so remember to ask for help if you need to on that. And then you can write your name on the line. I'm going to write Callie Cat here because she is my helper today. So then today's date. All right, today's date is May, so you have to write capital M-A-Y. Put a finger space. Today's the 20th. And today is a birthday in our class. Put your comma for Kamani, okay? And then 2020. So look, you wrote 20, 20, 23 times, okay? So happy birthday, Kamani. So the day of the week today, we have Callie Cat with us. So that always means when Callie Cat's with us that it's Wednesday. So let's go ahead and write that. Capital W, E, D, N, E, S, Wednesday, A, Y. This is a good spelling word because it doesn't look like how it sounds. Okay, so it's kind of like the sight words where you just have to remember how to spell that. All right, so right here, tally marks. Okay, so Callie Cat brought today nickels in our estimation jar. Okay, so how many nickels do you think are there? Give yourself a chance to guess. I'm going to guess, I don't know, 20. Okay, so you make a guess. And let's see how many there actually are. I'm going to pour those out so we can count them. Okay, so remember, one mark for each one. So let's go right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is where I put the slide, okay? So I'm going to move those up, okay? Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put the slide. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, another slide, and then one more is 21. So if we write that out, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 1. The 1 is all by itself. So we had 21 nickels today. So I made a pretty good guess. Was your guess close? Because I said 20, so I was only off by 1. Let's go to the next line. So question number 1 right there says, write the number 68 2 more times. So we're going to trace it. 68, 68, 68. So how many digits is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 digits. So we're going to write the number 6 on that line. Okay. Now, number 2. We're going to do this one together. It says Donald used 5 green pattern blocks and 3 blue pattern blocks to make a design. He took off 1 green pattern block. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many green pattern blocks are in this design now. Okay, so the important thing in this in this little story here is green. We're only concerned about the green pattern blocks. So the 5 I circled there, the 1 I circled there, and the word green I circled there. We don't have to worry about the blue. They're not asking about those. So first we're going to draw 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 represent the 5 green pattern blocks. Okay, he took off 1. So how do we show that we've taken away 1? We exit out. So now we want to know how many green pattern blocks are left. And so what we have to do to write our number sentence is count how many we drew before we crossed one out. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we cross one out, that's always subtraction. So draw your subtraction sign. And we crossed out 1. So that's our number sentence, 5 minus 1. So how many green pattern blocks are in his design now? So we count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer right there is 4. Okay, so that's, we're just doing the top half of this page today. So thank you for joining me for this lesson. Give yourself your exit ticket, and we'll pick up where we left off tomorrow.